Instagram down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Instagram right now with the app because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Instagram right now. um I saw in many comments, in many messages that received, that you guys have problems since the last update. So if you updated your Instagram app, then I think you may have some problems with your Instagram right now. You should try to clear the cache and the data from your settings on your phone, and you can also try to restart your app, and if none of this work, you can try to go to your profile and then go to settings, and then from here you have to go to help, and then you can go to report a problem, and then click again to report a problem. And here you can briefly explain what happened or what is not working right now with your Instagram. You can say that it's not working since the last update. You can say that you cannot log into your account, and if you cannot really log into your account and you are not able to report the problem from here, you can go to Google, search for Instagram uh, support team, and then from there you can report the problem. You can also add some screenshots if you have. So if you do have issues with Instagram right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.